We're doing an unboxing video today, and this is what it's about, and let's get to it. Unboxing videos. Oh, not the camera. Get it right, Richard, get it right. Unboxing video, it's about this today. She's a YouTuber, and she's a she broke quite a few world records on dominoes. Dominoes is a hobby as well, and yeah, and we're now going to, let's go focus that. Sorry about that, receptions. Oh yeah, there you go, let's do the unboxing. Let's open the box and see what we have, and I'll explain to you what it's all about. I've got to get this open. Oh, it's going to be very awkward. It's upside down now. Oh, sorry about the jogging of the camera. Oh, there's the dominoes in here. Oh yeah, here is the dominoes. Here's the dominoes that we got. Quite a lot. So 25 of each colour. It's designed so it's all the colours that are very vibrant, so when you film it, it looks very professional. Let's open one. Let's get this off. Let's get this off. They're quite heavy bricks, and I don't know if you notice it, they've got a watermark on there. They've got the YouTuber symbol, you know this symbol just here? They've got the watermark on there, you just about see it? The watermark? Just there. And all designed to stand up very straight, and they've got all gadgets to go with it. They come with these things as well, as like a divider, these things here, so when you pile the dominoes all the way along, you can just knock it, sort of thing, or you can use it as a bridge. I've got bridges as well. Let's get everything out. Let's do that. Let's get everything out. What else have we got in here? Oh, it's got a guidebook. Gives me an idea. Oh yeah, it tells you all about the bricks, what they do. So yeah, like all the information I need to know. Has it opened up again? Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah. Everything I need to know. I think in different languages, I think. Yeah, it's in different languages. That's what it's for. So basically telling you all about the dominoes. It should have the divider. I'll just show you. You've got the bridges where you pile them up. So that on top here. I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to turn the camera around. And I've got this here. Oh. Get this box open, and this thing here, it's like dividing. You put the Lego. I've only got one. Well, if I've got two boxes, I've got two. So where's you put the Lego, the dominoes here, you put them, slot them in there, then you lay it down. I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to turn the camera and open the other box. Let's put that over there. Get these open. Oh, there's quite a lot. Switch the camera now to show you what. These dominoes are very designed specifically. Every single dominoes is designed to be very good. Let's get all the colours out. Let's get all three colours out, or four colours. We've got 25 of each colour. Because when you line them up, they're very vibrant. Sorry about the cat's mess on this table. The cats have been on this table, as you can see. Let's get them right. All line them up. Bear with me, bear with me. You see, we all lined up. They're all perfectly designed. And what's interesting, they've got like a texture on the top. So yeah, it makes it more of a smooth. And they've got a better grip. So if I literally just do that, it won't fall over. There we are. And they're very straight. Also, mate, I've got lots here. And this thing here that I have, I've got another one I can connect it. I've got another box I can connect it. And what you do for this one, you just line them all up like this. You line them up, all in here. So you just imagine all in there. And then this table's not straight, so I might do it on the floor actually. And then take them out and all lined up. But it's better on the floor. They look better on it. But yeah. Let's open the other box and do a little domino relay on the floor to show you. As you can see, I'm setting it up. How I'm doing it like this. I'm going to make it really spectacular for you guys to watch in this video. Just to say how awesome they are. There's about 200 Legos you're going to see, all in a run. I'm going to make it so awesome, you're going to love it. Okay, 200 dominoes and some random stuff. Let's see how long it takes. I've had made a mistake already. So off we go, guys. Awesome. This is very good. I'll put your link in the description of our tutorial videos if you're interested in buying this. And I'll put a link in the description for you to buy these as well. It's available in Domino bricks available in Canada, America and United Kingdom only. But I'll put links in the description for you to buy these, guys. An Amazon link and a shopper account and everything. So don't forget to check them out. They're at Smith's Toy Store in this UK, but in America you can get them from Walmart. But you can order from Amazon. Do check them out. Pretty awesome. Tell me what you think.